type of method in JavaScript. How, since JavaScript is a weakly typed language, that means you don't have to specify the data type while running it. Because so now the problem is that once in a while you will have to check the data types of each individual variable, because sometimes an error will occur, and in order to uh, resolve that error you need to check the data type of the variable or an object. So to check the data type we use the type of method. So this over here is the type of people. So basically people, we created a property called people over here, and we created an array. Similarly for bool1 we set assigned the true value. For person we created a property with first name and last name. So now we'll run it and we will check it what's the type of these variables and objects. So by using Node.js, Control Alt plus N, we will run the equation. So now over here you can easily check the property. The first one, the people is of object, and then bool1 is data type boolean, which is either true or false, and so on. So basically what's happening is the type of method is giving us the value of your variable, but sometimes it's not enough, because what is an object? Now we want to find out whether it is an array or not, and for that we will use the instance of. So the variable is people, which is an array basically. After that instance of and then array. So this instance of will check whether people is an array or not. If it's an array it will return true. If not, it will return a false. So when we run it, we can see over here that it's returning true. So that means this instance of array people is an array. So if you look over here, that people is an array, inside of square brackets there is a collection. So there these two methods called the type of and instance of is used to check the data type of the variables objects at runtime.